Yeah, we get it. Building your own business website can be a time-consuming hassle. And where do you go to build a website? Do you get your 14-year-old nephew to build you a website? Then there are the added hassles of maintaining and keeping up the appearances of that website. And where do you go when something breaks on the website? Who do you call? The reality is, there is a lot of websites out there living a lonely existence. They're not engaging with their customers and they're definitely not aligned to the business objectives. At HeyPresco, we can offer a range of website solutions for your business, which are aligned to your customer needs and your business objectives. Now, what is important to us is getting to understand your business and your customers. We want to understand how you both interact and work together. With this knowledge and understanding, we can take this behind the scenes to help come up with some concepts and a design for you which will align your customers with your business objectives. All our websites come with lots of bonus inclusions and extras like free hosting and support services. However, I would encourage you to check the packages we have out on the website, and when you're ready to book some time with us, we are ready to answer your questions and help find the right website solution for your business needs. I look forward to seeing you soon.